Right folks, back at the redevelopment site in Lower Sunbury, doing the stumps. This is a tall poplar tree. It was left to the height of the fence. It's now been taken down. There's the bits. She had a JCB digger in there to get the rest of the stumps out, but the one in the corner which Josh is just stone grinding, when he tried to pull that one out, it started wobbling the wall. That's a big poplar as well. There's no little one here that's come out. Big stump ground as well. Just loading the logs on. It's poplar, that wood. And this is the house in question. If you look back on my videos from probably about August last year, we took all the trees down here. That's an old air road shelter there. But yeah, this JCB has done a good job. This site proves. Once again, sharpening chainsaws up again now. They took the tooth right off. That's what they should look like. They just sheared straight off. Right. Catch you on the next one.